How to rename a video file on mobile. I'm sure you already know that changing the meta tag of an edited video is your first step to SEO. Yeah, I'm here to show you exactly how to rename an edited video on mobile. I just finished editing and rendering this video from my editing app. Now go to your photos. Okay, so this is the video that I just edited. Go to this icon that says share. Instead of sharing the icon, just come down to save to files. Now save. Before you save this video, rename it. So I'm going to rename the video to how to block a user on YouTube, because this is what the video is about. So I've just renamed the video and I'll save it, and that is it. That's how you go about renaming a video. So let me go to my YouTube back end and show you what I mean. Now if I want to upload this video now, I'll just select the little upload icon there and choose from file. You can see the file has been renamed. The file has been renamed how to block a user on YouTube, so that if I upload this video, it will not be uploaded as the title will not just be a link. The title here is how to block a user on YouTube. You can see that the user upload would normally show what's it called, some digit and alphabet, but now this is one step to SEO. Thank you for watching till now. I hope you found this very useful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tips and tricks, more technical or techie things, and definitely share with anybody that needs it. I would very much appreciate your like on this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.